students, I welcome you to today's GK class. Bache, tell me one thing which have become a very important part of our daily life, without which it is really difficult to imagine our lives. What is that, Bache? That is mobile phones. So, cell phones or mobile phones have become a very important part of our daily lives. It is very difficult to imagine our life without a cell phone, as most of our work is done using cell phones or mobile phones. So, today we are going to talk about mobile mania, the things related to mobile phones. Martin Cooper wanted people to have freedom to talk on phone away from their cars. So, in reaction, he and Motorola embarked on a new project to create a more portable device, and they invented Motorola first phone in April of 1973. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to state the full forms of abbreviations related to mobile phones. You will be able to expand them in your own words. Then you will be able to choose the correct options from the given MCQs which are related to mobile phones. These are the things related to mobile phones. You will be able to know the meaning of it. Kids, let's do mobile mania. These are the things related to mobile phones. It's your page number 22 and 23 that we are going to do today. Let's start. Radio waves are used in mobile phones. Mobile phone communicate by transmitting radio waves through a network of fixed antennas called base stations. Second one is MMS. This messaging service is used to send a combination of text, sound, image, and video. In other words, MMS enhances communication by using a standard quality approach for transmitting and receiving multimedia message that contains images, text, graphic, audio files, video clips, etc. The third one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is one of the wireless transmission standard that could replace cable between laptop and cell phone. In other words, it is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distancing. Fourth one is bandwidth. This band allows more data to travel fast over the airwaves, or in other words, bandwidth describes the maximum data transfer rate of a network or internet connection. It measures how much data can be sent over a specific connection in given amount of time. The fifth one, the icon often used in mobile phone represents mail. Gmail is a free mail service developed by Google. Users can access Gmail on web and using third-party program that helps them to transfer their mail within seconds. Kids, let's do page number 23 on which we are having few abbreviations related to mobile phones. The first one is subscriber identity module. SIM is a portable chip and a built-in circuit that stores the international mobile subscriber identity in a strong and safe way. It is a smart memory card that enables us to establish a phone call across the globe where the contact network of the user is constant. Second one is personal identification number. PIN is a secure numerical code created by the user and used for authentication when the user tries to access a system for various types of systems and networks such as computer network, mobile phone, etc. PIN is used as a validation tool. Third one is short messaging service. SMS is a text messaging service component of most telephone, internet and mobile device system. It is used standardized communication protocols to enable mobile devices to exchange short text messages. Fourth one is multimedia messaging service. MMS is a revised form of short messaging service protocol which includes multimedia message. MMS enhances communication by using a standard quality approach for transmitting and receiving multimedia message that contain images, text, graphics, audio files, video clips, etc. Fifth one is GPRS. General Packet Radio Service is a packet-oriented mobile data standard on the 2G and 3G cellular communication networks. Global System for Mobile Communication. GPRS was established by European Telecommunication Standard Institute. Kids, I told you by the end of this video, you will be able to state the full form of abbreviations related to mobile phones. You will be able to choose correct options from the given MCQs. Now you have to do etc. Fifth one is GPRS. General Packet Radio Service is a packet-oriented mobile data standard on the 2G and 3G cellular communication networks. Global System for Mobile Communication. GPRS was established by European Telecommunication Standard Institute. Kids, I told you by the end of this video, you will be able to state the full form of abbreviations related to mobile phones. You will be able to choose correct options from the given MCQs. Now you have to do one task, that is, you have to collect the information related to the upcoming smartphones which are going to be launched in 2020 and 2021. Thank you and have a cheerful day.